Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you a mouth-watering, delicious grilled chicken. Let's get started. For this we will need 6 chicken breasts. Poke hole into them with the help of a knife. And now we will prepare the seasoning. Half tablespoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon meat tenderizer as optional, and a pinch of oregano crushed with your finger to get a nice aroma. Now mix all of the spices together. Now let's marinate the chicken. For that we will need 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon oil, and the seasoning that we had prepared earlier. Mix the seasoning with the chicken for 1 to 2 minutes to get the chicken nicely marinated. Cover it and leave it for 1 to 2 hours. If you want, you can even leave it overnight. Grease a pan with 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and heat it up. Place the chicken on the pan and give each side 10 minutes. Our delicious grilled chicken is ready to be served. This serving is enough to serve 4 to 6 adults. You can enjoy it with your favorite vegetables or with rice. This is a flavorful chicken which you can enjoy even if you're on diet. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to our channel to get our new recipes every other day. Thank you.